Greetings, young pearls! Embark on an adventurous journey with mudbots and safari trails, where you delve into the wild and muddy playgrounds of exotic animals. Discover how these majestic creatures use mud in their daily routines and learn fascinating facts. Jump right in! Introducing the initial creature, hippopotamus. The common hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal after elephants and white rhinoceroses. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300. Unveiling the world of God. Gods are known for their various vocalizations, including bleats, grunts, and snorts. Each sound has a different meaning, and gods can communicate effectively with each other. Exploring the prowess of the puma. Pumas are adept climbers and can leap up to 18 feet 5.5 meters vertically to catch prey or escape danger. Unlike lions, pumas do not roar. Instead, they communicate through growls. Visual feast of alligator majesty. American alligators have rebounded from near extinction and are currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict still pose threats. Our next expedition with black bears. Despite their name, black bears can come in various colors, including black, brown, cinnamon, and even white. Black bears are found throughout North America. The majestic buffalo revealed. Found in Asia and parts of Europe, particularly in countries like India, China, and Italy. Buffaloes are generally calm and placid, but they can become aggressive when threatened. Let's dive into the world of dogs. Dogs are famously loyal companions. They often form strong bonds with their human family members and can be very protective. Dogs serve in various roles, including search and rescue, our spotlight turns to ducks. Male ducks, called drags, often have more vibrant and colorful plumage compared to females. Female ducks usually have more muted colors, providing better camouflage during nesting, while ducks are known for their quacking sounds. The camel's role in arid ecosystems. Camels have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played a critical role in the economies of many societies. They are used for transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk and meat. The vibrant life of ring-tailed beauties. Ring-tailed lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar, which is the only place in the world where lemurs are found naturally. They are omnivores with a diet that includes a variety of fruits, Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together, primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals. Examining the black panther. The black coat of panthers provides them with certain advantages in their environment. It helps them blend into the shadows of the forest, making them stealthier hunters. Black panthers hold significance in various cultures. Nature's living teddy bears koala. Koalas are generally quiet animals, but they can make distinct vocalizations such as grunts, snores, and bellows. Males have a deep voice that they use to attract females. In-depth exploration of our furry friends cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. The quirky charm of llama. Llamas have been traditionally used as pack animals in the Andes, carrying goods over rough and mountainous terrain. They are still used for this purpose in some regions. Llamas were domesticated by the indigenous people. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers. Unmasking the majestic tribes of tiger. It is true, tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tigers have a varied diet. Get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Next in line, meet the bull. The bull is a majestic and iconic creature that has captivated humans for centuries. With its impressive size and strength, the bull has become a symbol of power, determination, and resilience, and bulls simply as a fascinating animal. Pride and power of King Lion. Lions are incredibly fast and agile. They can reach speeds of up to 50 mph, 80 km per hour in short bursts, and are capable of leaping distances of up to 36 feet, 11 meters. Horned Majesty, Rhino in focus. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, living in harmony with zebra. Great zebra are the largest and most endangered species of zebra. They are native to eastern Africa and are known for their thin stripes and large ears. The plain zebra is the most common and widespread species. Get ready for elephant edition! Elephants digest their food with less than 50% efficiency. An elephant defecates from 12 to 15 times a day, totaling a daily quantity of 220 pounds. Thank you for your time and attention to watching Mud, Baths and Safari Trails, a journey into wildlife's dirty playground adventure. Subscribe now for Mud Baths and Safari Trails and immerse yourself in the thrilling world of safari animals and their muddy playgrounds. Discover the magic of nature and learn valuable lessons about wildlife and conservation through these captivating muddy adventures. Don't miss our future muddy escapades. Farewell, little pearls!